Hey everybody, are you ready for something really cool today? So on Instagram, I truly believe that 1 out of 10 posts should be about your business, okay? I don't like advertising my business on my personal profile on Facebook, Instagram, anywhere, right? But I do have a little bit of a change in mindset when it comes to being able to share my business on a regular basis. So what I've done on Instagram is created a profile that is only for my business, my direct sales business. And I was very careful in planning all of this. So I want to show you kind of a peek around what we're doing here. So what I wanted on my Instagram profile was a 9 grid. Now, if any of you have taken the Instagram trainings, you know what that 9 grid is, okay? But a 9 grid is just what people see when they go to your page. So this is what they're going to see when they go to my page. So I was really intentional about what was going on these 9 posts and how it was going to look, how it was going to color coordinate, how you can see that this is a video, this is a video, this is a video. So the 4 points are videos and the rest are graphics. So I was really intentional about that color grid and the post type and all of that. So here I want to show you exactly what I did with that and why. So when we're going to the post, I want to show you some of the videos that I did and why I did them. I really wanted to cover the most important things that had to do with our business, which is booking and the catalog that we might have and joining our team and why you would want to join our team. So I'm going to show you some of those so you can get a feeling of what exactly we did here and why. So you can see this first one is a video. Now I'm going to go back. Now you aren't going to see this on all of it because it's still a work in progress. I've literally been working on this for about 6 hours now. So what we have right here is a perfect example of using different types of hashtags and being very careful about what we do. But here's a video. Okay, so you can see that one is all about the product and you can see my branding across all of that, okay? Then we have view the catalog. This is basically going to be a link tree and that is just going to take them to view the catalog. So this right here is going to be changed to a link tree that's going to show them everything that needs to be about my business. So we're going to add the catalog link, the customer specials, the join my team information, and follow me on social media and blah, 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 okay? This post is another video. a description and hashtags and everything that we need to promote joining my team. And then we have this one. Again, we're going to have a post that goes with it and all the proper hashtags, but 3 ways to enjoy 31, really just talking about those 3 different ways about your business. So shopping now, get a bonus shopping link, and which is basically book a party. I'm just staying away from the words book a party, and then join our team. And then this is the centerpiece that I wanted. So I was very particular on where this was being posted because I wanted a white space everywhere to be the centerpiece. And so that is my website. And then we went back to another picture, which is shop now. Click the link in my profile. And I really just wanted to highlight some products on my timeline where they would see it on my Instagram feed. And again, that's going to be the link in my profile. Will take them to a catalog link. And then the next one was a video. Join our team today. Tap for more. That was a very simple video that had to do with the kit information. And then we have a graphic about booking. So bonus shopping link, just something I came up with to find some different wording and get your own bonus shopping link to share and earn free products. Swipe left for more, and they're going to click on that. I set up a link for you. You share the link, your friends shop from you, you earn free products. I wanted to keep all of the wording extremely simple and very pleasing to the eye. So what are you waiting for? Shoot me a message today and then share a link, earn reward. So it just shows the hostess benefits right there. And that was it. And then we just had a simple video that I threw in there. Right? Okay, so there you have it. This is my 9 grade. That is never going to change. This is the beauty of Instagram. So when someone goes to my page, this is what they're going to see. There is not going to be anything else that they're going to see. But what's the great thing? That's all they need to see. If they want to learn more about 31, they are going to see a beautiful feed that is just perfect in every way in order to show them everything that they need to know and what they need to do to go there, right? Okay, so this one, we're going to add some highlights on the catalog, and that is just, I created a bit.ly link and created a story and made it a highlight. And then the next highlight was join our team, and I basically took that one post about joining my team and turned it into the story highlight. And so it's the same exact video that you saw, but I made it a highlight. And so they'll get that. Now, I might have one more over here, but I'm not positive, and it might be bonus shopping link or something like that. But I don't want to make this complicated. Too many choices and people won't look at them. So I really think highlights need to be 2 to 3 to a profile. I really believe that. Then you can have your Instagram TV where you can upload all kinds of videos and do whatever you want there. And this is just going to be a lot of fun. Again, that link tree is going to be really, really important on getting them to be able to click all the links that they need to see anything in your business. So I just wanted to show you guys this today. I'm pretty excited about it because I don't promote my own business on my own Instagram account. You can see Melissa Feetsum. Where am I at? this one, is my own account, and I do not promote my 31 business very much at all. I do have a story up right now for purposes of actually sharing it onto my other profile, but that'll go away in 24 hours. So you won't find a whole lot about my direct sales business over here, because I really want this to be about connecting with people. So this will take them to my Facebook business page, which again, I don't really, very rarely post about 31, but that's just a personal preference. And so you don't have to do that. But I created a new email and started this page. So you just have to have a brand new email, and then you can go about setting your own kind of personal shopping page. That's what it is. It is a profile just to highlight your 31 business, but your business, whatever it is. But the deal is, again, we're not going to change this. We're not going to make any more posts. We're only going to do highlights and stories. That is how we are going to add to this Instagram profile, is just by adding new stories every day. So we're not going to mess with this grid in any way, shape, or form. This is our landing page for our business on Instagram. We're only changing those Instagram stories and highlights. That's it.